All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at ticker symbol RDBX. This is Redbox Entertainment. Redbox has been a big part of a short squeeze movement recently. So if you're watching this video, most likely you are a retail investor like myself and like other people watching these videos, interested in day trading possibly or swing trading some of these. And I'm really going to help you guys understand a little bit more on some actual technical analysis so that way you can go into your trades not blindly. Okay, the best way to win and become profitable is to enter a trade with a game plan, and when you know your exit and entry points, then you can consistently come in the market every day, whether it's going up or down, and make money in the market. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. All right, and we're going to be using the Fibonacci's. All right, so what I like to do is go down to the 5-minute chart. All right, and I want to wait till after noon. Okay, and what I mean by that is you want to absorb some of the data that comes in from the chart. Okay, so that way you have some breaking grounds for the day. All right, whether you're going to go to the upside or go to the downside. All right, so here we have the noon, and we're going to look before then. And what we're going to do is use the Fibonacci's, and we're going to do our swing highs and our swing lows. Okay, and it's going to give us a breakout level, and also some in blue, and also some green levels to start taking profit at. All right, some price targets. All right, so if we go here to our initial low, all right, we can look at the before noon here. All right, this is our initial low. All right, so we can go here and see our low and chart up to the immediate high above that low, and it's going to be a nice and bright blue. Okay, and what you can do is you can right click, all right, and go to create an alert and set an alert now whenever it is at or below. Okay, and say enter short position. Right, boom, you would hit create, and now you would get an alert once we cross below here. Okay, so let's say right here you get an alert and you see the next candlestick is red and it's a very nice bearish candle. You enter on this short position. You have your nice 127.2% level and your 16.18% level in green here to let you know to take profit. Okay, so what you can do is you draw this at 12. Okay, you take your swing lows and you take the immediate highs present before those, like your highs before those. Okay, and now you're gonna have your levels. You come in here and you would create an alert of what I would do, and when it says at or below, okay, when it comes to this level, you would put take profit. Okay, and you would do that for that level. Okay, and you would set one here, and what you can do is you can sell depending on your own risk to reward ratio. Okay, you can sell a certain part of your position either at here or here, as I said. Okay, and what you can do is you can create an alert a little bit above your entry point. So if you enter here, you can either use a mental stop loss, or you can create an alert up here and say, hey, if it hits this level or at or above, this is my stop loss. So you get an alert, or you can set an actual stop loss at a level just above your breakout level here in blue. All right, and now this is also going to give you some price targets to the upside as well. Okay, so what you could have done here, all right, if we had been trading in the intraday before noon, all right, what we could have seen is we had a nice retest, we had a nice bounce here, it found some support. Okay, we could take this high and this low, all right, and we see the nice pullback, we see it finding support. Well, if we cross out past our blue breakout level, we can go ahead and create an alert here. Okay, at or above, and we put enter long position. All right, is what you would do. Come in here, all right, enter long position, and then again create some bullish price targets at the 127 and the 161.8. All right, now there are more bullish price targets such as the 261.8 and the 423.6. Okay, and we'll get into those on the next day. Okay, so just off of that analysis, this would have been, basically what I would have done on the day, right? If we're going by that noon activity, all right, and let's say this is 12 o'clock, we could have drawn a candle here, all right, to our low here or to our low here, all right, and we would have set an alert here, all right, create alert at or above, enter long position, you'll hit create. Okay, that alert would have never went off, right? But what would have went off was our alert to enter a short position. So this is what I mean. You can come into the market every day unbiased, wait till noon, wait halfway through the day, And just don't rush anything. Okay, don't be upset that, oh, I didn't short it up here and it dropped all the way down here. That's what's called being a perfect trader, and there's no such thing as a perfect trader, right? That's going to buy the highs and sell the very lows. All right, but what you can do is you can make moves intraday, all right, and have some nice breakout levels and bullish price targets. All right, I have a video at the end of this that's going to explain it all to you guys very well. It's a nice introductory tutorial. But again, I'm just gonna break it down for you guys. We'll go to the next day's price action, okay? And here is noon on the day. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna chart this low here up to this high, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and chart up this high right here and down to this low. Okay, so we'll create alert at our blue breakout level to the upside, create alert at or above, and it will name the alert enter long position. So this way we get the alerts on our phone. Okay. And we come down here, go to create alert at or below. All right. And we create alert and saying enter short position here on this one. Okay. Create that alert. And what do you know? Shortly later in the day, our alert goes off. We hit our 161.8 price level. We can take profit. Okay. We dip back down below. Maybe our stop loss gets triggered, but then our alert goes back off because we cross back of it again. We hit our 161.8, take some profit. Okay. We don't come back down back to the breakout level. We find support here. We continue our uptrend, hit the 261.8 and then the 423.6 on the fibs. Okay, so if you look at that, okay, what this is a 9% move in 35 minutes. Okay, or if you bought the initial breakout here, okay, and didn't get your stop loss triggered, okay, you had a very nice 9% move again in about 2 hours and 26 minutes. All right, and if you would have held even further, okay, you could have made a total of 19%. All right, what this is again is just going to give you price levels for you to actually be a consistent and every single day. Okay, you can't be a perfect trader and buy the lows and sell the highs, but what you can do is you can have a breakout level and have price targets where you're going to start securing profit at. And if you cross below your breakout level, you can either have a mental stop loss or an actual stop loss, maybe even a trailing stop loss. All right. And if you need a little bit of help or like a tutorial on how to do a stop loss, trailing stop loss, or how to use the Fibonacci's and get it set up the way that I have in this video, go ahead and watch one of these next videos right here because it's really going to help you out a lot and you're going to enjoy it.